Undo it here in the hall.
Oh. I don't know why I'm doing this.
Because it's man day. They do man shit.
One-handed?
Yeah, go ahead, get some more of those swings.
Oh, it's your turn. You go.
Huh?
You go first.
Really?
Yeah, go ahead.
No.
No.
Come on.
Get it over with. Oh, really?
Sitting right about there. Is that a good thing?
Oh, for real? Oh.
Ready?
Oh, God damn, that sucks. That was terrible. Okay, that was it. That hurts. Thank God it's only one hand. Yeah, there you go. Good turn, jerk.
On the chest, alright? Not the
Yeah, on
stomach,
the
on the
chest.
chest.
You got turn. It's not so fun, is it?
Fucking do it! Do it!
That shit sucks, doesn't it?
I'm crying.
It sucks a little bit, doesn't it?
Something sting to it.
Yeah.
Oh my,
Let's see this.
oh my god.